Okay, hi, welcome to Swiss Be Swiss Aeroplane Paper Making Challenge today. We're going to see which of these girls can throw their plane and make the longest distance. What's behind yours, Abbey?
I don't really have a thought process. I'm just making it up as I go.
Okay, all right. What about you, Tay?
Yep, same as Ab. Just trying to make the best looking plane, I think. Then
The old married lady, has she got some smarts behind her?
Just have to wait and see. Jules, you have to wait and see.
Okay, and Caitlin Thwaites, what do you got?
I'm going for some aerodynamic. I've tried to make the nose a bit heavier so that it will hopefully make its way through the air.
Very good, all right. I think I'm going with Katie then. She actually knew what she was doing.
She pretended she knew what she was talking about.
What is that, Abbey?
I'm not sure.
First up, Taylah. What do you got, Tay? She's focused. Whee! Okay. Well done.
Wow.
That's great. Oh, not bad.
That's
Well done. Oh, aerodynamic. Here she goes. Yes. Well done, Katie. Oh, you're a cheat. You're a cheater. Pratley cheats. Caitlin wins. We have a cheater in the house.